In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Clockify. If you've got a project that's no longer needed or was created by mistake, deleting it can help keep your workspace clean and your reports accurate. Before we begin, remember that deletion is permanent, so it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right workspace and that you have the necessary permissions. Typically, project managers, admins, or workspace owners can delete projects. If you don't see the option later on, you may need to ask an admin to adjust your access. Start by heading to the Clockify website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This takes you to the list of all projects in the current workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're viewing the correct one at the top of the screen to avoid deleting something in the wrong place. Next, find the project you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, but using the search bar is often faster. Type the project's name or client to narrow the results. If filters are available, use them to refine by status, client, or user. When you see the project, click its name to open the project details page. Take a moment here to confirm it's the exact project you intend to delete, especially if your team uses similar names. Inside the project, look for the menu that holds the management options. Depending on your view, you'll either see a settings button or a three-dot menu, usually near the top right of the project page. Click that to open the project options. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Delete Project or simply Delete. If you can't find it, it's likely a permissions issue or the option is tucked under a More menu. Try expanding the menu or checking your role. When you click Delete, Clockify will prompt you to confirm. This is your last checkpoint to ensure you're deleting the correct project. Read the confirmation message carefully. It may remind you that the action cannot be undone. If you're asked to confirm by typing the project name or clicking a final delete button, go ahead and do that. After confirmation, the project is permanently removed from your workspace. A couple of tips before you finish. Consider exporting any needed reports first, and let your team know if you're removing something they might expect to see. If you're unsure, archiving can be a safer alternative, and make sure